Okay, this is a reaction to the Mac user.
The Mac user.
Ew!
Wait, what is that shit?
Yes! Yeah. No, read the caption.
Feed me more delicious turd cocks.
I
don't like that
He's
one.
covered in shit.
I don't like that one at all.
That's so gross. Okay, don't look at it anymore.
I just can't figure out if those are dicks.
Okay, just click on the next video so we don't have to go.
Yeah.
It's just a picture.
LOL train.
Wall train.
Law train.
Oh,
That's so gross.
Ew.
that's like a
It's not
super
even in
long
their-
penis.
All aboard the man train.
I feel like the guy on the right is like missing out.
He's like, damn. Okay. Fruit launcher.
Fruit launcher.
It's gonna be something.
What the?
Ew.
I'm never gonna eat an orange again.
I love oranges.
I do too. Look at that. That's so fucked up. She has to shove one in to get the other one to come out. Wow. Awesome.
Wow, I didn't even
Yeah,
get the
figure
idea
that
that you
out,
had to
me too.
like. Ew.
Figure that out. Shove one in to get the other one.
Yeah,
out.
I didn't figure that out.
Wow.
Milk fountain.
fountain.
No,
This
oh, this is gonna be gross.
Milk fountain.
Ew.
Ew.
Is that shit? She's covered in
I
shit.
know what that is. They all. That's.
Ew.
That's
Yeah, ew.
What?
That's all cum.
Ew.
Ew. What? She's covered in like shit though.
And shit.
That's
Cum and shit.
really nasty.
It's class
People are
right there.
fucking-
Those are some classy gals.
Homewares.
Homewares.
What the fuck is that? Shit? More shit?
Just
with
shit.
the dildo.
Like everything I look
So
at is just covered in shit.
nasty.
All of these are covered in shit.
You're
What's
getting your
wrong
fishnet
with
leggings
people?
covered in shit. Why shit?
Jap scat.
Jap scat.
This is a video.
It's so small.
Why is it so chunky?
Oh, dude, they're sucking it up and then putting it back in their mouth.
Putting it in her.
This video is asshole? This video. This is weird.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I just gagged. Oh my god, I can't watch that.
Oh! It's still coming! Replay? Why would you replay it?
What the fuck?
He's like laughing at it.
No, that's not he, that's she.
She's laughing at it. She likes to shoot himself.
This video is really long and really nasty.
Why shit? Why shit?
Why do all these have so much shit in them?
It's covered everywhere. Everything. Just... No, that's definitely a guy. He got the shit.
Ew!
I wish I understood Japanese.
She's a nice looking Japanese girl too. Really? Hey, got the Bismol.
She's like, I felt like I got a load off my chest.
Oh, how do you like that, baby? He took that like a shot.
Took it like a cheese.
Hey,
Swallow it.
hey, that's the Bismol. Now I'm showing him indigestion, upset stomach. I'm dying. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ew. Why is that guy doing it like that? Why is it sticking together like that? That's really gross. There's like 11 on it. He was chewing it.
This guy had some issue with material. He can't even eat it. He just yeah, swallow it, you did. Take it off.
Shut your mouth so I don't have to see it anymore. Okay, that's the end of that video.
Wow.
I hope that I was actually in that, because I'm sure my face looked
nasty. You people are nasty.
I will never look at a Chinese or Japanese or any Asian person the same way ever again.
Sorry.
Don't care who you are. AJ, you too. Like, nobody. No one. I think he's, I don't know.
He's Filipino.
Freaking sick. Yeah, and they're disgusting.